According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you say you have done, I just need to I know. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, no. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses or chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. Won't you ask Abraham and Sarah, and the woman with the issue of blood? Oh, there's nothing hard for you. Oh, ask Mama now, blind Bartimaeus, make you go ask the Israelites. Absolutely nothing hard for you. No man, no man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never exist, oh. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? For you to do, it can never ever exist, oh. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It can never ever exist, oh.